Hi guys, Sarah K here, and welcome to Sarah K Travels. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. Hit that lovely red subscribe button. You'd be glad that you did. So as you can see, this is another big island adventure, and this is the Punalu'u Black Sand Beach Park. I hope I pronounced it right. But you guys, this is a must-see if you are vacationing on the Big Island. It is about an hour and a half drive from the KONA coast, the west coast. So it's definitely worth it. There's a lot of cute little stops on the way as well, and one at the end I will show you at the end of the video. So if you want to see some black sand, keep watching. All right, guys, that was it. That was our black sand beach adventure on the Big Island. It's a must-see, you guys. If you're vacationing on the Big Island, go. It is worth the drive. It's a nice scenic drive. It's definitely worth your while. So here's a bonus. So this place is the Shaka restaurant, and it's the most southern bar in the USA. That is what they are famous for. So make this stop either on your way there or on your way back. We did it on the way back, and we got the Loco Moco, which, you guys, they have one of the best Loco Mocos on the island. It was so yummy, you guys. So stop at the Shaka restaurant, most southern bar in the USA. So, all right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. So, yeah, keep coming back. I got some more Hawaii adventures and some other travels coming up. So, until next time, peace out and safe travels.